Hi, welcome to DY India. So today we are going to install self-sign certificate in Apache web servers. So let me begin. So we are just going to install the self-sign certificate in my website. So let's see. So check if this my website is like HTTP. So we need to be run HTTPS. So let's see this website. I'm trying to access my servers with the help of IP address, but it is showing not secure. Okay, get your website secure. So if you know like how to create a self-sign certificate, so you have to watch this video how to create a self-sign certificate. Okay, so I will share a link of this video in descriptions so you can watch if you don't know how to create a self-sign certificate. Okay, so let me proceed. So first let me log in my servers. Let me change the font size. If you're new in my channel, so you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you will get the notification once I create a video. So let me begin. So see my server IP is 192.168.36.135. So now I'm able to access my website. Let me check it. User a local Apache 2. So I had installed my Apache here. So let me check first process is running or not. Obviously the process is running because I'm able to access my website. Now we have to so to enable this HTTPS, we require SSL certificate and we require to enable modules, basically is mode SSL, and also we need to enable mode rewrite if you want to redirect your request from HTTP to HTTPS. So then it required. Then we have to enable SSL conf files. Okay. So let me check. So now see the 80 port is listen only. So secure port is not listen. So let me just open the configuration HTTPD. So first of all, we have to enable like SSL. So check. Now you have to search the module and uncomment. Or in the last, see one more module is there. This is mod rewrite. Now then we have to come in this file at the end. So this is a very important files. This is the main configurations of Apache servers. So here we require to uncomment secure SSL and TLS connections for this is the default file. We can use this one. So I just uncomment it. So that file we have uncommented, we have to make entry http://ssl.com. So this is the default file we are trying to add here in our web certificate. So let me check starting. So in this file there is a listen port that we require 443. Then is here a default cipher suite, proxy cipher suite. Then SSL owner ciphers order is on. Then here is the protocols that like TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2. It is a minus. It means like it is a disable. Okay. So let me check. So here is require a certificate. I'm just making a change. Simply just remove this, and I have already created the SSL certificate. If you want to know how to create a SSL certificate, then you have to watch my previous video. I will share the link in descriptions. So here just I've created the certificate and just I'm putting the path. So in this file, I only just make the changes, my certificate details. Here is the key files and here is a certificate. So once we edit, let me check the syntax. So if you add anything in configuration, you have to run httpd-t to check if any error is there or not. So let's see. This is something is error is coming. It is like showing is unable to load something like SMC. So let me check. So this is SSL session cache. Temporarily we have to disable it because it's not required currently. Again, I have added the configuration file. Now I checked the syntax is okay. Let me so let's see my service is down. Let me check the website. It may not accessible because service is down. So let me add. Let me start the service. Now service is started. Check the port. Now the port is listen and let me check the website. Not secure still because I'm accessing like HTTP. So let me try. HTTPS. So again, it's showing not secure, but is secure because it is SSL certificate, self-signed certificate. So it's showing red, but your traffic will be encrypted. So see the my certificate details, everything is coming, and see the issue date. So today I just created a certificate, self-signed certificate, and it expired in 28 December 2025. So let me cross verify. So I put my SSL certificate here. Okay. So this SSL certificate I'm using. Let me check the logs. So let me blank the screen. Let me try. So now see the request is coming. So within a minute my website is get secure from unsecure to secure mode. Let me try to change the page. I just changed this page content. So if you change the page content, so no need to require to restart or reload the service. Okay, because static content. Let me hit. So now see, earlier is my content is different. Now welcome to DY India Tech with SSL. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.